Now since the cockatoos destroyed our corn yesterday, we need to replant it, and I just noticed that we don't have any seed raising mix. So today we're going to create some. So the seed raising mix is going to be coconut coir based. This is compressed coconut coir, expands heaps when you add water with it. We're going to mix in some medium-sized perlite. This helps with drainage. So what you're going to need a wheelbarrow, something big to mix in. A big tub, wheelbarrow is fine. It'll make about 80 litres, so make sure you got something big enough. Then we're going to chuck in our coconut coir, unwrap it from the plastic, chuck it in the wheelbarrow. Then we chuck in about 3 bucket loads of water, about 27 litres. So after about 30 minutes, give it a good mix. It'll be nice and soft and fluffy. To that, chuck in a bucket load of perlite. That's about 9 litres. Works out to be about 15% perlite by volume. Then we just mix it all through. So there you have it, seed raising mix ready to go. Spread it out on your tray, put your seeds in, bit of water, good to go. That's how easy it is to make seed raising mix. Please make sure you subscribe and have a great day. See ya.